Hey guys, I'm Alanis.
And I'm Ava.
And we are the A Sisters. So, it is a really rainy, gloomy day today. So our mom's gonna allow us to
make chocolate chip cookies.
First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you'll want to combine a half cup of solid coconut oil.
It kind of looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a... After you're done combining all three of these things, next you're just gonna combine it by mixing it. So you will need two separate bowls for this. One so that you can mix all this in, and two so that way you can have your dry ingredients and add those in. So now I'm just going to pour it into a separate bowl. The dry ingredient mixture includes 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. So go ahead and add it. And you're going to add this in there slowly at a time. Now Ava's going to add in the chocolate chips. The best thing about this recipe is that there were no eggs or butter added into this. It was just all healthy, somewhat ingredients. So now we're just going to put them on our pan. I have an ice cream or cookie scoop or whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to scoop them out and try to get them there to the same size. We ended up leaving the cookies into the oven for 12 minutes because they're so big, as you can see. And they actually ended up making 15 cookies. So if you made them smaller, you could probably double that. But I think this recipe really worked, and you should really try it. It's really good. How does it taste?
Good.
Would you want to eat them again? How many cookies do you think you'll eat today?
3.
Oh boy. Surprisingly, they actually taste better than cookies with butter and milk. And butter and milk give you the fat in the cookies, so this just takes out a lot of that. And it's really good.